Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to change this part right up here. So you're just going to need an Allen wrench set to do this. It's about a 5-minute job. So what I'm going to do is take an Allen wrench here, and you got these two bigger screws. Go ahead and just kind of crack them open just so they're loose. I'm going to go ahead and move my fingers here and kind of move it by hand so I can get these two smaller ones. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and just loosen both of these. Just crack them. And then when you crack them, this whole thing should come loose. But now we need to go ahead and take off the motor. So for this, there's two screws up top. You just want to loosen them up all the way. These ones you actually will take all the way off. And this is the same on all axes. So I got them all off. Then what you could do is just pull off this guy. And then to replace or put on the new one, we're just going to do the same steps again. So you have a big end and a small end. The small end goes on the stepper. I usually just put that there first. Then go ahead and line up your screws for the motor. And we're just going to first work on the motor and screw these guys in here. If I could, there we go. It's a little tricky, but it goes pretty quick. And just go ahead and tighten these screws all the way down once they're threaded in. Okay, next all we need to do is tighten up the new one here. So I'm going to go ahead and take my smaller Allen wrench. And now I'm going to go the same way. I'm going to first tighten these set screws, the smaller screws. Then go ahead and twist it. And then tighten up the bigger screws. Once everything's tight, you should just be able to move that, and you'll see the axis moving. You can see the wheel moving right there a little bit. So now everything's installed. That is how you change that piece right there. If you have any other questions, please go to www.rockymountainplc.com. We'd be more than happy to help you out.